Good morning, friends. Study material, session 45. Here we shall discuss about the problems of the regression. The following information given relative values of two variables. Here which are the two variables? X series and Y series. X series are having the numbers as the 42, 44, 58, 55, 89, 98, 66. Whereas y is equal to 56, 49, 53, 58, 65, 76, 58. Here we have to find out the two regression equations. Regression equation of x on y, y on x. Determine the value of correlation coefficient through regression coefficients. R is equal to square root of bxy into b by x. Correlation coefficient shall also be calculated with the regression coefficients as applying the formula R is equal to square root of bxy over into b by x, where bxy is the regression coefficient of x on y and b by x is the regression coefficient of y on x. Most probable value of x when y is equal to 60. Here we are estimating the value of the x. If the y is equal to 60, we have to use the x and y equation. So this is the problem which has been given for us in order to find the two regression equation, x on y and y on x equation, and determine the correlation coefficient from the regression coefficients. Then most probable value of x on y. Here you have to use the regression equation of the x on y. X minus x bar, it is equal to r into standard deviation x was standard deviation y into y minus y bar. Here the heading we have to write it as the calculation of coefficient of correlation. X series 42, 44, 58, 55, 89, 98, 66. Then Y series 56, 49, 53, 58, 65, 76, 58. Here you have to find the arithmetic mean first. The formula for the arithmetic mean is it is the sigma x by n. Sigma x means total of the x series. X series are 42, 44, 58, 89, 98, 66. Total you will get it as the 452. X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. Sigma x is equal to 452 divided by number of items. Number of items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items are there in the x series as well as in the y series. Here n is equal to number of items is the 7. It comes to 64.57. In the same way, you have to calculate the y bar. Y bar means arithmetic mean of the y series. Y series are 56, 49, 53, 58, 65, 76, 58. Then total of this one is 415 by 7. It comes to 59.28. X and y equation, it is the x is equal to a plus by. B is the regression coefficient of x and y. It may be sigma xy divided by sigma y square. Sigma x square is the x. After finding the x bar 64.57, you have to deduct it for the x series 42 minus 64.57. It comes to minus 22.57. Then 44 minus 64.57, it comes to minus 20.57. 58 minus 64.57, it comes to minus 6.57. 55 minus 64.57, minus 9.57, 89 minus 64.57, it comes to 24.43. 98 minus 64.5, 33.43. 66 minus 64.57, 1.43. So these are the deviation which has been taken from the arithmetic mean of the X series. X series arithmetic mean is 64.57. In the same way, you have to take the deviation from the Y series, y minus y bar. Here, arithmetic mean of the Y series is 59.28. 56 minus 59.28 minus 3.28. 49 minus 59.28, it is equal to minus 10.28. 53 minus 59.28 is equal to minus 6.28. 58 minus 59.28, it is equal to, it is the minus 1.28. 65 minus 59.28, it is the 16.72. 58 minus 59.28 minus 1.28. Here we will get the x square and y square. Then xy. X square, here deviations. Minus 22.57 into minus 22.57, it comes to 509.40. Minus 20.57 into minus 20.57, it is the 423.12. Minus 6.57 into minus 6.57, 43.16. Minus 9.57 into minus 9.57, 91.58. 24.43 into 24.43, it comes to 596.82. 33.43 into 33.43, it comes to 1117.56. 1.43 into 1.43, it is the 2.04. In the same way, you have to calculate the y square. Y square is minus 3.28 into minus 3.28, 10.75. 10.28 into 10.28, 105.67. Minus 6.28 into minus 6.28, it is the 39.43. Minus 9.5, minus 1.28 into a minus 1.28, it comes to 1.63. 5.71 into 5.71, it comes to 32.71. 16.72 into 16.72, 279.55. Minus 1.28 into minus 1.28, 1.63. After this, in order to find the here regression coefficient of x and y, you have to get the sigma xy. Sigma xy, first we have to multiply x into y. X is minus 22.57 into minus 3.28. Minus into minus plus 22.57 into 3.28, 74.02. Minus 20.57 into minus 10.28, it is the 211.45. Minus 6.57 into minus 6.28, it is the 41.25. Minus 9.57 into minus 1.28, it comes to 12.24. 24.43 into 5.71, 139.73. 33.43 into 16.72, 558.94. 1.43 into minus 1.28, it is the 1.83. So the total, it comes to sigma xy, it is equal to 1039.46. You have to get the total of the x square, y square. Here you have to apply the formula x and y equation. It is the x is equal to a plus by. B is the regression coefficient of x and y. The formula here you can apply it as the sigma xy divided by sigma y square. Sigma xy, it is the 1039.46. 1039.46. and sigma y square, it is the 471.37. 471.37. The two, if we divide this one, we will get 2.20. Then x minus x bar, it is equal to r into standard deviation x over standard deviation y into y minus y bar. X bar, it is the value 64.57. 64.57. Then regression coefficient of x and y, as you get it as the 2.20, you have to substitute here 2.20 into y minus y bar 59.28. 59.28. Then if we simplify this one, you will get x equation. X is equal to 2.20, y minus 65.846. So this is the regression equation of x and y. From the x and y equation, you can calculate or you can determine the missing value, or the from the one known value, another one we can find from the regression equation of the x and y. Here you have to find the value of x when y is equal to 60. Here you have to substitute the value of the y as the 60, so that you will get the x value. Here 2.20 into 60 minus 65.846. X is equal to 2.20 into 60, 132. And 65.846 minus x is equal to 66.154. Y on x. In the same way, you have to calculate the y on x regression coefficient of byx. It is the 0.37. You have to substitute the values as the y bar, x bar 0.37, so that you will get the equation of y and x. Y and x equation, it is equal to y is equal to 0.37x plus 35.39. As in the problem, they are asking about to find the correlation coefficient from the regression. R is equal to bxy into byx. It is the r is equal to 2.20 into 0.37. It comes to r is equal to root of, if you multiply these two regression coefficients, we will get 0.814. R is equal to 0.90. R means correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient, how we got it? We got the correlation coefficient through the applying the formula for the regression coefficients. So this is how we got the missing value, regression equation of x and y on x, then correlation coefficient from the regression coefficients. So this is the problem of the regression analysis. In the same way, here another one problem is there. You have to obtain the two regression equations, calculate the age of 5 when husband is 25. Husband age, wife age. Here they are asking about the regression equation of the x and y on x. As well as you have to calculate the age of wife when husband's age is 25. That means y on x equation you have to consider here regression coefficients x and y equation, then y on x equation, and now you have to find the y value when the x is 25. At the time we will get y is equal to 15. So this is how we can calculate the missing value or predict the value, or from the known value we can find the another one unknown value from the regression analysis. Thank you.